Op een forum waar het allemaal draait om analytics is het ook wel even tijd om stil te staan bij de evolutie van analytics. Want waar komen we vandaan, waar staan we nu en wat kunnen we eigenlijk in de toekomst verwachten? Naast mij staat iemand die daar alles over weet. Hij gaat straks ook een sessie geven over onder andere machine learning. En wat ik graag wil weten, ik ga nu dadelijk switchen naar Engels, want de man is Engelstalig. So, when it comes to analytics, where are we now? It's 2016. Can you describe the world of analytics for me?
So I would say now what's happening is that machine learning is really taking hold, and that companies, organizations are starting to use it. And I would say probably for three reasons. One being that data, computers, algorithms, all of these have become commodities. They're essentially cheap now, and because of this, it leads to the second reason. Companies are storing a lot of unstructured data now. These NoSQL, Hadoop data stores make it very easy and cost efficient to store unstructured data. And machine learning is particularly good, perhaps better than traditional statistical techniques at analyzing this unstructured data. And that combines with the third reason, which is we know now that some companies are using machine learning successfully to drive revenue. And these three things are making companies look around and sort of jump into this new world of machine learning.
So they're going to jump in right now, but let's project the future. Now it's 2025 or something. What do you expect will happen then when it comes to analytics?
Okay, so I don't have a crystal ball. I can't really see into the future, but if I had to predict, I would say that we will be talking about what we call the analytics life cycle being vastly compressed, being vastly accelerated and automated because of the combination of cloud, continuous deployment, DevOps technologies, that mixing with newer online adaptive learning, machine learning algorithms. This means that the analytics life cycle will go from a very labor-intensive human thing where a model is trained by an analyst and then deployed by IT to something that's just automated and sort of constantly updating itself out in the cloud.
But is that a risk for all the data scientists out there? Are we going to be out of jobs?
I think that our jobs will just change, right? Because one thing we'll have to think about is how to, if the computers are out there sort of constantly consuming information, we'll have to think about how does this not only benefit us, right? I think it's very clear how this could benefit companies, but we have to think about how it's going to benefit our customers or our patients. And I think that perhaps, I can't predict how a data scientist job will change, but perhaps we'll have more time to worry about sort of the human side of what we're doing if more of the mathematics and IT is automated.
Ik denk dat dat een mooie conclusie is van dit verhaal. We moeten dus eigenlijk gaan kijken naar wat nou eigenlijk de menselijke kant van zaken is als het gaat om data. Nou, er gaat nog een hele hoop veranderen. Zoveel is duidelijk wat de toekomst precies voor ons in petto heeft. We weten het niet, maar we gaan vandaag wel een stukje dichter bij de waarheid komen hier op het SAS Forum 2016.